Hey guys, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications button for more videos.
Victor the Plotagon Fan 2003 Enterprises Inc. presents Virtual Manbud blows up the microwave / grounded. And it was inspired by Tejo 4444, Weather Star 4000 Video, South Park Comedian 1996, Victor Camargo 2005, Thomas the Charlie the Anteater Master 2003, Paul Animation 56, the PlayStation 5 Express, and various users. I'm going to blow up the microwave by putting this bomb in the microwave. Yay, I blew up the microwave. Yay, I blew up the microwave.
Virtual Manbud, how dare you blow up our microwave? That microwave costed £350. Now we have to buy a new microwave thanks to you. That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded. You are grounded for 896 years.
Now go to your room now.
Wow.